Hello, everyone. Tonight we're diving into one of the strangest stories making waves online, Buga Sphere. First glance, it looks ordinary. It's a smooth metal orb. Those who've held it say it's heavier than it should be, perfectly seamless, and the twist doesn't always behave like an ordinary object. The story begins in Buga, Colombia, town that gave the sphere its name. Locals reportedly discovered it under mysterious circumstances. Almost immediately, photos and videos began to spread. What was this? Scientific anomaly? Relic? Something far stranger. When it comes to the Buga Sphere's behavior, this is where the rumors get intense. Some locals and online videos claim the orb actually vibrates. Not randomly, but in response to sound. The most chilling reports say it reacts most strongly to ancient Sanskrit chants and certain frequencies, almost as if it recognizes them. These clips, MF meters flicker wildly. Faint humming is sometimes heard, leading witnesses to believe the sphere is coming alive. Of course, skeptics argue there's nothing supernatural here. What people are seeing could be resonance, hidden magnets, or even editing tricks. Still, the idea of an object that responds intelligently to sound has only fueled the mystery further. That's why the Buga Sphere continues to divide opinion worldwide. Speculation exploded. Some argue it's a secret military device, built to test advanced materials or navigation systems. Others think it might be a natural formation, or even an elaborate hoax. Most dramatic theory? The Buga Sphere could be alien technology, kind of probe or monitoring beacon. Researchers like Dr. Stephen Greer, long known for investigating unexplained aerial phenomena, warn that objects like this often disappear into secrecy before science can study them. The case is eerily similar to the famous Betz sphere of 1974, another metallic orb said to move and hum on its own before vanishing into obscurity. History, it seems, may be repeating itself. What is the Buga Sphere? Hoax? Forgotten experiment? Or something that challenges everything we think we know about technology, about our place in the universe? Now it remains unsolved. Silent, shimmering enigma. Deeper insights into the Buga Sphere, many more unexplained mysteries, visit strangehappen.com. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel, because sometimes truth really is stranger than fiction.